Now, large parts of the UK may face drought as soon as next month if the hot and dry weather persists.
Yeah, water levels across much of England are low already, and the issue is going to be raised when the government meets with water companies and other agencies to discuss how to cope with these dry conditions, as Francis Reid reports.
London burning. Yorkshire on fire. But if last week was a warning about extreme heat, the question now is how long prolonged hot weather will continue and if enough rain will fall. A dry July is one thing, an August with no change is another, and England could officially be in a drought next month if the dry spell continues. At the moment, the UK is not in drought, but the last 3 seasons have seen below average rainfall. Now, most of England, except for the northwest, has moved into a state of prolonged dry weather. That's the step before drought is declared, and could lead to restrictions in the worst affected areas. Places like the east of England are currently managing because of last year's rainfall.
Obviously, we have to take each year as it comes in terms of the rainfall that we get. At the moment, we don't have any plans for hosepipe bans. We obviously need it to rain moving forward for next year. Otherwise, we'll be looking at a different situation from a supply issue next year if we don't get that rainfall.
Much of the country already has lower reservoirs and rivers, already impacting the quantity of water and worsened by record-breaking heat waves. The government and water companies will now hold an emergency meeting with suggestions that people should already consider the amount of water they use. This may look extreme, but shows the problems from dry weather are already here, and solutions need to be found if it continues. Francis Reid, BBC News.